today, before we can go ahead to tell you why we've gathered here, there is a little experiment.
Ye Jawani Hai Deewani is a film about relationships. But when I say relationships, it's not only about boyfriend-girlfriend relationships. It's also about friends, family. It's also the story of the journey of these 4 different characters.
I guess I can speak about a recent one, which my mother did for me. Since the time I've come to this industry, people call me a mama's boy. But my mother really loves me and she does all these things. I still live with my parents, fortunately, unfortunately, I love it. We are about to move away from our house because we were rebuilding it. So my mother one day came to me and said, why don't you go ahead? Why don't you live alone for 2 years?
For about 120 days for Ye Jawani Hai Deewani, which is a lot for a love story. And I think Ayan is really a taskmaster. And I think we all felt like we were shooting an adventure film more than a simple love story. And I think that's what I did. Thanks to Parachute, I drenched myself in tender coconut oil from head to toe. And that sort of saved me from the 3 days of color that we were throwing on each other. And these guys were ruthless.
Shared with us their story. Rachana says, my tender love and care moment lie in the lap. It was the month of March and my mom had got a chronic asthmatic Nanaji for being there for me when I needed him the most. That's really sweet, Rachana. What do you have to say to that?
Like this can be very, very tough. And sometimes, I think the most amazing thing is that sometimes the most unexpected people, I'm not saying in her case, but I think sometimes the most unexpected people come into your life at the strangest of times and sort of leave an impression. And I think that's amazing.
Care he has for me and the little time we spent together. The floor is now open for question and answers.
मैं बहुत छोटा था जब मेरे दादाजी जिंदा थे, लेकिन मुझे डर लगता था क्योंकि वहाँ एक बड़ा सा पॉन्ड होता था, वो सबको उसमें फेंकते थे. बट मतलब थोड़े बहुत मेमोरीज हैं, यू नो, सब चाहिए थे सितारे, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री के डायरेक्टर्स, म्यूजिशियंस, गायक, सब लोग आते थे एंड दे ऑल यूज्ड टू सेलिब्रेट टुगेदर.
I mean, I definitely think that we had an equation on set that I didn't really expect. I think somewhere we had a very spontaneous equation. And I felt like every time I gave him something, I was getting something back.
पान में पुदीना देखा, नाक का नगीना देखा, चिकनी चमेली देखी, चिकना कमीना देखा, चांद ने चीटर होके चीट किया तो सारे तारे बोले गिली गिली अक्खा. So basically it's you just have to kind of say it a couple of times and वो आ जाता है. पता नहीं अगर मेरे बच्चे होंगे या नहीं, लेकिन इसके तो ज़रूर होंगे. I would like to be her children's godfather. I don't know if she or her husband will allow me, but it will be nice to mentor her children. बाल बच्चे वाली हूँ.
बच्चों के पीछे क्यों पड़ा है यार?
पता नहीं, दीपिका फैमिली प्लानिंग हो रही है आपके यहाँ पे.
बाल बाल देखो, हजार बार देखो, ये देखने की चीज है हमारा दिल.
I think on our part, I think it's a bit unfair. Of course, it kind of gives a bad name to the sport. But I think it's also a little unfair that just because of a few people, you know, following this malpractice, you know, that you kind of, everyone sort of, you know, then you start doubting everybody else.